Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called Picify AI art editor. So basically this is art and design application that you can edit your photos, enhance and amaze in a second with AI. So you can get your image in pro level. So you can see the rating of the app 4.4 out of 5 and 20 megabyte size of the app. 1 lakh less people already download this app. Only a few days ago this app launched. You can use it. You can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store, and you can see the option. There are a lot of people say this is really good app, and some also most crazy app I ever Play Store, also negative reviews. I'll create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. So you can get this app from Google Play Store and App Store. You can download from them. So today's no man, see you the next video.